to što vas je dovelo sa svih strana Sjedinjenih Američkih Država i Kanade, od Kansas Citya do Kalifornije, od New Yorka do Toronta i tako dalje. U ovom povijesnom momentu primite dio odgovornosti za svoju domovinu na svoja leđa. Ujedinite se. Zaboravite između sebe i svađe i razmirice. Nažalost, imao sam prilike dosta toga čuti. Sad je moment kad trebamo svi zagrljeni biti u jedan nepregledni niz ljubavi za svoju domovinu.
Speaker is Slavko Jambrusić, the Vice President of Croatian Academy of USA. Slavko Jambrusić.
Reverend Fathers, distinguished guests, my fellow Americans, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Croatian Academy of America, whose charter has as the foundation the inalienable right of the Croatian people to its name, language, and political independence, I welcome you to this historic day of Croatian-American solidarity. We have gathered today in this nation's beautiful capital to give witness and to recall and reaffirm the propositions that the priority of freedom and democracy is the American and Croatian way, that the government, by the consent of the government, is the American and the Croatian way, that the government of the people, by the people, and for the people is the American and the Croatian way, that the people of Croatia cherish the same shared values of equality and human dignity as did our founding fathers more than 200 years ago, that the Croatian people throughout its turbulent history has gallantly stood on the frontiers of Western civilization, defending the shared values of the respect for life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Yes, my fellow Americans, the Croatian people has dearly paid its dues and has earned more than once their rightful membership in the community of civilized nations. For the cause of freedom, liberty, and democracy, this very day, perhaps this very moment, the peaceful Croatian villages that have given us the rich heritage of song, dance, beautiful costume, and the tamburica are being destroyed, pillaged, burned down. People seeking refuge, some, however, murdered in a most brutal fashion. These dark forces which drive the Croatian people from their homes and their properties and wish to frustrate the overwhelming declaration of the Croatian people for political independence and national sovereignty are committing naked aggression, which the United States and the rest of the free world must and shall condemn. The time has come for the free world to take a good, hard look, and yes, take sides. Who is for freedom and democracy, and who is for repression and terrorism? Above all, the time has come to recognize that the Croatian people is not an ethnic group, not a tribe without national purpose and destiny, but a historic nation with a will and political resolve to defend and preserve its proclaimed independence. Assume its responsibility as a legitimate member in the international community, always ready, willing, and able to make a contribution to the new world order of democracy and peace with justice and human dignity. Long live Croatia! Long live the United States of America! Živela Hrvatska! Živio pošteni, patnički, ali hrabri hrvatski narod, od Jadrana do Subotice, od Boke Kotorske do Višegrada. Živeli!
Došli smo ovdje u Washington, pred Bijelu kuću. Nadam se da ćemo dobiti šta tražimo. Došlo je oko 40 autobusa iz Mississauge, iz Hrvatske crkve dole u Torontu. Je došlo nekoliko autobusa iz Oakvilla, Kitchenera, Hamiltona. Čuli smo da je bilo spremljeno oko 100 autobusa iz Kanade. Moje mišljenje je da želimo pomoći našim Hrvatima u domovini. Jako nam je žao što se to događa. Nadamo se da će proći bolje nek je to do sada. Mi im tu na sve načine pomažemo, probamo. Ako bi trebalo, išli bi i tamo da bi im pomogle.
Moje mišljenje, ovo ovdje u Washingtonu, ja sam za svaku hrvatsku akciju što je za hrvatstvo. A ovdje, kad sam došao, meni je srce igralo, kad sam vidio tisuće i tisuće Hrvata ovdje. Ja vjerujem, ja nisam baš dobar ubrojati osobe kad hodaju, ali vjerujem da ih ima otprilike 20.000 ovdje danas, a može biti i više.
Kako vi, gospođe, kako vi mislite tome? Ovo je jedan događaj što samo jedanput u životu čovjek može doživjeti, da u glavnom gradu Amerike naši Hrvati se skupe i da su slobodni, da mogu svoje zastave vijat i govorit i slušat njihove senatere kako oni žele da nam pomognu. Pa to je bio jedan divni doživljaj. Ja samo zahvaljujem Bogu da sam mogla to doživjeti.
Today, this is the biggest demonstration of Croatians ever in America. There might be 30,000. 30.000 naših Hrvati, ne samo iz Amerike, i sa Kanade su došli. Ima od Toronto, vi kažete meni koliko? 30 autobusi. Od Toronto i više od toga. I od Amerike svaki grad, od Kalifornije, od Arizone, od Chicago, od Cleveland, od New York su došli tu. Ja mislim više od 30.000 su tu.
Croatians, so loyal and so faithful, servants to many and always grateful, peoples of grief and peoples of sorrow, always in hope of a greater tomorrow. Croatians, so warm and so tender, peace-loving hearts, you surrender. So be proud of your national banner and live in your God-given manner. Stand proud, Croatians, straight and tall, for time will come for one and all, when God's great justice sets you free to live in peace and liberty